Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a side-by-side comparison between 123FormBuilder and Google Forms, specifically focusing on their design features. Whether you're a business owner, educator, or just someone who loves creating forms, this video will help you figure out which platform is best for your design needs. Let's get started. Both platforms are great for creating forms, but they take very different approaches when it comes to design. Google Forms is known for being simple and straightforward, while 123FormBuilder gives you much more control over customization. Let's start by looking at the design capabilities. Google Forms is easy to use, but the design options are quite limited. You can choose a theme color, and you've got a small selection of header images. But aside from that, you're pretty locked into their standard look. Now, let's switch over to 123FormBuilder. Right off the bat, you can see there's a lot more to work with. You can select from pre-built themes or customize nearly every aspect, from fonts to background images to colors. This makes it a lot more flexible if you want to create something that matches your brand. Moving on to templates, Google Forms offers some pre-made templates, but they're minimal. You can select basic options like work or education, but there's not much variety. In contrast, 123FormBuilder comes loaded with templates across different categories: business, events, feedback forms, and more. These templates aren't just preset, they're fully customizable, which gives you a head start if you're short on time, but still want a polished look. Now let's talk about field types. Google Forms provides the basics you'd expect: short answer, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, file uploads, and a few others. It's simple and works well for basic forms and surveys. You can also add date fields, time fields, and a linear scale for ratings, but that's about as advanced as it gets. Now with 123FormBuilder, you have way more variety. Alongside the basics like short text, multiple choice, and drop-downs, you can add more advanced field types such as signature fields, ratings, HTML blocks, product fields, formula fields, and even discount codes. This makes it perfect for creating more complex forms like order forms, contracts, or application forms where signatures or payments are required. 123FormBuilder offers more advanced customization like conditional logic, multi-page forms, customizable thank you pages, and email notifications. Google Forms also has skip logic and customizable thank you message, but if you want to fully control the design or structure, it falls short. So, which one should you choose? Well, if you're after a simple form with minimal design needs, Google Forms will do the trick. But if design flexibility, branding, and customization are important to you, 123FormBuilder is the clear winner. It offers more tools to make your forms look exactly how you want. Either way, it all depends on your design needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be stuck choosing between these two form builders. See you in the next video.